Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce me Salsabila
And I am Safiani.
from 9th grade F will tell you how to make instant noodles.
The tools and ingredients we need are instant noodles, plate, spoons and forks, pan and water, and scissors. The way it works is first cook the water until it boils. Then add the noodles and wait until cooked.
Out of the blue to see what's up with you. Who's your new boo? I still think of you. Don't understand why you keep calling my
Remove the cooked noodles. Then leave in the plate. Add instant noodle seasoning.
You feel just like the rest. Now you're staring in my eyes, say no, say goodbye, trying to feed me with lies, then turn your back and cry.
And stir well.
You was always cheating, and I'm still singing. Dearest, you fucked up, you missed out. Shut up.
Serve while still hot.
That's all, hopefully useful for you all.
Thank you for your attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.